In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to get you started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. This is your go-to place for all things Google, where you can store and manage files seamlessly. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and click on the New button. This is your gateway to creating new documents, spreadsheets, and of course forms. As you click New, a drop-down menu appears. Scroll down and select Google Forms. This takes you to your workspace where all the magic happens. You'll have a couple of options before you, a blank form, a quiz, and template choices. These options allow you to tailor your form to meet your specific needs. For today, we'll go ahead and click on Blank Form. This gives us a clean slate to work with and allows us to customize everything from scratch. With your blank form open, the first thing you'll need to do is give your form a name. Click the title field and type in a name that best describes the form's purpose. This helps keep everything organized, especially if you'll be making multiple forms. After naming your form, it's time to add your questions. Click on the plus sign to add new questions to your form. You have several question types to choose from, like multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. Just click the drop down and select your preference. Next, you'll encounter a toggle for making questions required. Make use of this feature if there are questions that must be answered. This way, participants can't submit the form without providing input in these fields. Navigate to the Responses tab to keep track of submissions once your form is live. Here, you can view the results and analyze the data effortlessly. Don't forget to click on Settings, where you can tweak various form parameters like response collection options and limitations. Customization adds a personal touch, so head over to Customize Theme to change your form's look. Here you can switch out theme images, adjust colors, and select different fonts to match your brand or style. Once you've made all desired customizations and added all necessary questions, move to the top right and click on Publish. This makes your form accessible to others, enabling you to collect data, conduct surveys, or create quizzes effortlessly. In essence, Google Forms is a versatile tool that serves countless purposes, from educational assessments to market research. And there you have it. Creating a Google form is that straightforward. Whether you need a quick survey or an interactive quiz, Google Forms equips you with everything you need to execute your project